The rumored iPhone 17 Flip concept has generated excitement, as it suggests Apple may finally step into the foldable phone market. Here's a comprehensive look at its expected features, advantages, and challenges. Portability and screen innovation. The iPhone 17 Flip is expected to adopt a clamshell design similar to Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip series. This would offer enhanced portability and a larger screen that folds into a compact form, making it ideal for users prioritizing style and functionality. Flex mode and multitasking. The foldable design could introduce flex mode, enabling the device to be used in unique ways, such as hands-free video calls, split-screen multitasking, or as a mini laptop. This adds versatility that traditional phones cannot match. Durability improvements. Although foldables are often critiqued for durability issues, Apple is likely to implement innovations to address hinge robustness and screen longevity. Enhanced multitasking. The Flip design may support simultaneous use of apps on a split screen, improving productivity. Compact form factor. Users could enjoy the benefits of a large display without sacrificing portability, solving the issue of bulky. Smartphone. Apple's engineering excellence. With Apple's reputation, the iPhone Flip is expected to raise the bar in the foldable phone category. Thank you so much.